Enrolling users for a course on Levelup. Publishing a course on Levelup is just half of the work done. You will need to send out enrollment requests. This will allow the users to find the course and take part in it. In this tutorial, we will look at how you, as an admin, can enroll users in a course. But make sure that you publish the course before you can enroll a user. Do check out our video on publishing a course or explore our Knowledge Hub. Let us start by looking at how you can set up instant enrollment on Levelup. Log on to your Levelup admin account and navigate to the Courses section on the sidebar. Next, choose the settings options beside the course you want to enroll users on. On the drop-down menu, choose Enroll. A pop-up window will open. Here you will get options to choose from the 3 enrollment options. Choose the Instant tab. The first step is selecting the user and user groups who can enroll in the courses. To do that, click on the field that says Select Users or User Groups. Now, you will get a drop-down with all the users and user groups. You can choose individual users or choose a user group if you want to enroll all the users in the group. Next, it is important to choose the due date from the calendar. This is because the due date is the day within which the learner needs to complete the course. If you want to configure the repeat/re-enroll settings, click on the link that says re-enroll/repeat. This will give you access to additional settings. For re-enrollment, you have 2 options. You can choose to all users if you want to re-enroll all the users who have completed the course. Choose the other option in case you want to enroll users who have completed the course within a specified number of days. You can enter the number in the field. You can choose between 1 day to 365 days. Let us see what you need to enable repeat for the course. For repeat, check on the checkbox that says every _year. You can choose the number of years from the drop-down list. Want to choose a specific date? You can set that as well. Simply click on the option for Set Date and choose the date on the calendar. The learner will be able to repeat the course after the time has passed. Let us understand it with a simple example. Let us say you have selected repeat after 1 year, and you have selected the date to be December 25, 2025. In this case, the learner can repeat the course after December 25, 2026. Once all the settings are configured, click on Enroll. You will get a notification saying that the users have successfully enrolled. Let's see how to unenroll users and groups from a course. To do that, choose the course for which you want to unenroll users. Click on the settings and then select View Enrollments. You will be redirected to a page that will list all the users who are enrolled in the course. Choose the user under the Instant tab. Click on the Settings option and then click on Unenroll. You will get a pop-up asking for a reason for unenrollment. Enter the reason and then click on Unenroll. Please note that you will not be able to unenroll users who have completed the courses. Now let us see how to set up scheduled enrollment. Choose the settings options beside the course you want to enroll users on. This will open a drop-down menu. Choose Enroll. A pop-up window will open. Here you will get options to choose from the 3 enrollment options. Choose the Scheduled tab. Next, you will need to select the user and user groups who can enroll in the courses. To do that, click on the field that says Select Users or User Groups. You will get a drop-down with all the users and user groups. You can choose individual users or choose a user group if you want to enroll all the users in the group. Next, you need to follow same process you followed for instant enrollment. Unenrolling users from scheduled enrollment works similarly. Finally, let us learn how you can set up autopilot enrollment on Levelup. Choose Autopilot from the 3 enrollment options. And for the rest, we follow the same process we followed for setting up the other 2 types of enrollment. You can also unenroll users and user groups from autopilot enrollment. So, that's how you can enroll and unenroll users on Levelup. Check out our other videos to learn how you can use other user-friendly features of Levelup. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel to get the latest updates.